Hey, what's going on, traders? It's Breaking with Learn, Plan, Profit. I want to take this time and wish you and your families an amazing and blessed Thanksgiving. Thank you guys for all the time that you guys invest in our team. And again, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.
What's going on, traders? Another day, another dollar. In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to show you how I made a little bit of a $5,400 profit trading one ETF. Let's do this. This is ticker symbol UGAS, and I like to focus on two things: direction and opportunity cost. As you see, UGAS is trading between the middle and top VWAP. That's that purple line and that red line you see there. On top of that, what do I mean by opportunity cost? I like to make sure that my margin of profit is worth it. To put into perspective, would you buy an iPhone X for $10,000? No, because it's not a good deal. Same thing when it comes down to investing in the stock market. I only want to invest in patterns that are showing signs of growth and that are good deals. When something looks a little bit more on the overextended side, as you see right here, then that is the time to sell. Locking in profits, $5,400 overall on the day, $54.45. If you guys want to learn more about how not only do I have the largest YouTube channel, but also the largest private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. What makes us different than every other course out there? You actually get to watch me trade live every single day, something that no one else offers. Click the link to learn more. Gotta go, team. Gotta make this bread.